Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will show you how to import content using the Newsomatic plugin from any website that the NewsAPI supports. So to get this started, go to Custom News to Posts menu in the plugin, and if you click on the article source, you will see that the article source is somehow incomplete, so you might not find the website you are willing to import content from in this list. If this is so, simply select here any and click settings and search for include only these domains in results. Here you will be able to enter a comma separated list of domains from where you can import content. So to get these domains and check which domains are possible to import content from, go to NewsAPI and click on News Sources. You will see here each country from where the plugin can import content, and select the country from which you want to get the content. So let's select United States, for example, and you will see here in the results that it is listed the source. Each result set will have a source result, so you should get the source, and here you should get the website name from the source. So for example, this is a website name, so you should get the domain of the website. If you don't know the domain of the website, search simply Google for it and you will get foxnews.com. In this case, this should be entered here in the only these domains in results. Don't forget to use only lowercase letters here, because NewsAPI limits this to lowercase letters. Also, one nice thing that I'm not sure if you knew, that you can also import content from YouTube. So let me restrict only imported content to YouTube, and let's search, for example, for Trump. So if we do like this, I inputted in the search query string the keyword Trump and include only these domains in results. I use youtube.com, and here in the article source I select any. Now save settings. Let's check first our blog to see what we already have here. It's empty. And now let's run importing. And now the plugin imports content from YouTube using NewsAPI and with the keyword Trump. So this is an example. And if we hit the read more button, we will see that it links to a YouTube video. So like this, you will be able to import content from any website out there, from any country, only it must be supported by NewsAPI. So if it is supported by NewsAPI, if it is listed here in the country selection, then you are good to go and you can import content from that website using NewsAPI. Okay, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new from this. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more news, updates, and plugins that I release. And yeah, stay awesome. Have a great day. Bye-bye.